Hey man, thanks for tuning in. Got a video here on how to adjust the starter belt on a Robbins engine. Look, got my son here trying to make him to a golf cart mechanic. Been doing this about 28 years, trying to pass on some knowledge.
Hey.
He's a hard-headed joker, boy, I tell you. Nah, he's a good kid. But I'm gonna tell you this while we're looking at it. This car here come in with a dead battery. And what it is, whoever wired the radio up, they have a memory on the radio. And you can't do that, man, because the memory draws power over time and kills the battery. So for anybody that installs a radio, make sure you do your memory wire and your hot lead to the radio off a kill switch or off the key switch. All right, remember back to what we're doing. We're adjusting the starter belt on a Robbins engine, twin cylinder Robbins, just an MCI, because you got the aluminum head with it instead of the cast iron manifold for the exhaust. You got the aluminum head. What we're going to do, if you look down here, there's two 9/16 nuts. On the back, you see there. There's two 9/16 nuts. The top one's your jam nut. The bottom one is your adjuster nut, pretty much. So loosen the top one up. There's too much play. It's about a 1/2 inch of play, what's supposed to be. I don't have nothing to measure that. I just got experience. And tighten your bottom one up. Until you get about a 1/2 inch of travel in it. That's good there. Then what you want to do, take your top one back. Put your wrench. Don't try to half-ass it now, and don't use one wrench to tighten it up, because it ain't gonna work. You want to lock it tight. What you want to do there, take 2 wrenches, spread them apart like a pair of scissors. And then just squeeze them like you're doing scissors. All right. Or a snap ring, you just like that there and jam it together. All right, boys. Simple as that, man. Stay tuned, man. We'll make some more videos.